Hi everyone, today I have this pink set of salad bowls. They come in a pack of 4 and each is smaller than this one. It is super cute. First of all, I love the color and you're even going to get a little whisk on the side, which is super great to make any kind of salad. And check these out. These are great for salads, but also for mixing bowls as well. And check this out. One is super big and the other ones start getting smaller. So you're going to have something for any time you need it, whether you're making a big batter of cake or just a small little salad. You have everything you need, one inside the other, which also makes it easy for storage as well. Now, I really like that they all come with their own lids, which makes it super easy to close anything up and shove it in the refrigerator, so you don't even have to worry about it. So check these out. They are perfect for me. I absolutely love the color as well. I think that the pink is super pretty and they are nice and resistant. I really like these for keeping things fresh. Imagine throwing a couple of strawberries in here, a little salad that you can just grab and go with you. Definitely worth it, and I absolutely adore how they fit inside each other. So you can have easy storage with no problem. You can check these out on Amazon. They are definitely worth it.